I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fully clear the Safari cache on your iMac or MacBook. And to be clear, this will clear your history, cookies, website data, and temporary files like images, scripts, and logins. Step 1. Open Safari on your Apple device. Step 2. Click History in the menu at the top of this screen to open a drop-down menu, and then click Clear History in this menu. A window opens letting you know that clearing your Safari history will remove related cookies and other data. And again, moving forward will clear your history, cookies, website data, and temporary files like images, scripts, and logins. Step 3. Click the option associated with Clear to open a menu, and then click to choose whether you want to clear your Safari cache for the last hour, today only, today and yesterday, or all of your Safari history. In this example, because we want to fully clear our Safari cache on our iMac or MacBook, I'll choose All History. Step 4. Click Clear History after making your selection. Your Safari cache on your iMac or MacBook will be cleared immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.